everyone! In daily calligraphy practice, we need to cultivate a sense of work, ensuring that each piece of work is clean, precise, and complete. Today, I will show you how to create a calligraphy artwork based on an ancient Chinese coin design. If you like, you can decorate your room with it or offer to your family and friends. Why not? In this video, I will show you how to write this work in two different styles of calligraphy. After the first style demonstration, I will explain the meaning of this term and where it comes from this design inspiration, and then to finish with the second style, which is clerical script. So let's start with the first style. It's called running script. First, we draw a perfect circle. To position all the characters perfectly in the center of the circle, we start by writing the central character, mouth. Then we write the character at the top, followed by the ones on the left, right, and finally the bottom. This helps us ensure the correct placement of 4 characters. The character on the top includes the central one, means I. The character on the left includes also the central character, means no. The character on the right includes the central one, means alone or only. The character on the bottom means satisfied or contentment. The 唯吾知足 coin design first appeared during the Han Dynasty. In fact, these coins were used mainly for decoration and blessings purpose, but not used as currency. They are commonly known as 花钱, flower coins. The design of this type of coin is deeply meaningful. So as you can see, the front of the coin features 4 characters, which share a common central character, 口, means mouth. We can read it in a counter-clockwise direction from the right to the left. It forms the phrase 唯吾知足, means I know contentment, or contentment brings happiness. This reflects the ancient people's philosophical attitude towards money. Money often represents the root of human greed. The square hole in the center, representing mouth, symbolizes the human heart. So the emptiness of the square hole suggests that human heart is inherently empty. However, people continuously fill it with desires and then empty it, and repeat the cycle again and again, leading physical and mental exhaustion. If people know how to live in contentment, then they will not lose in the endless of desire. So this coin was often used to admonish people to abandon greed and improve themselves. So when we think about it, it's just amazing to put this kind of term on a money coin. So due to its profound meaning and excellent composition, this combination gradually found its way into the fields of art, like seal carving and calligraphy, and was even used for the inscriptions on the monuments and the trademarks. Later, it was introduced to Japan ever since. So if you have a chance to travel in China or Japan, open your eyes and maybe you can find these terms on some monuments by yourself. Okay, now you understand better the meaning of these words, and let's see how to write these words in another style of calligraphy. Compared to other styles like seal script or running script, the clerical script is relatively flat and wide. The stroke starts with a rounded tip that looks like a silkworm's head. and the horizontal strokes end like a swallow's tail. So when you write this style, pay attention to some brush technique, especially 藏锋, means to hide the tip of the brush. You should begin with the brush tip hidden. This means you start with a slight inward motion and then press down to create a thick stroke, and then finish the stroke by gradually lifting the brush, still keeping the tip hidden. So let's finish this work with the total 4 characters. Oh, don't forget to stamp your calligraphy work with the seal that has your name on it. So today we created 2 different styles of calligraphy work, one in running script and the other in clerical script. Which one do you prefer? Thanks very much for watching. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time!